वज़ीर दिफा ख्वाजा मोहम्मद आसिफ ने कहा है कि गजा और मसला फ़लस्तीन पाकिस्तानियों के दिलों के बहुत करीब है। इसराइल को तस्लीम करने का कोई ऑप्शन ज़ेर गौर नहीं। सहाफ़ी ने सवाल किया कि अगर आलमी अमन फोर्स गजा भेजी गई तो क्या पाकिस्तान उसमें अपना हिस्सा डालेगा। ख्वाजा आसिफ ने जवाब दिया कि फ़ैसला अमन फोर्स के TORs पर मुनहसर है।
There is an international peace force or military force sent to Gaza. Is Pakistan ready to contribute to this force?
I don't see any problem in that. It all depends what sort of terms of reference are drafted for that peace force. Gaza, Palestine, is a cause which is very close to our hearts, the hearts of Pakistani people.
Several Muslim countries have normalized relations with Israel. Is this on the table for Pakistan?
No, not yet. I don't see this option being even considered by Pakistan. Maybe in future when there is a total paradigm shift and two states are established, and Palestinians have the right of self-determination, their own homeland. They are now waging a proxy war against Pakistan. Delhi and Kabul and all these outfits and terrorism outfits in Kabul, they are on the same page.